Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys and walking you guys through the step-by-step process on how you can customize and personalize your own home screen for your Android devices. And I'm going to be taking you guys through the entire process from the beginning down to the end. So if you're looking for how to kind of personalize as well as customize your home screen for your Android phone, but if you also want to keep it very functional, then in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it like this. So yeah, if you're interested, then you definitely do want to keep on watching. Alright, so welcome back again. Hi, just in case you are seeing me for the first time, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Kelechi Mbemena, and in case you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys and sharing with you guys a couple of tips, tricks, as well as a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own aesthetic but still very functional home screen. This is amazing if you're someone who uses an Android phone. Personally, I use the Samsung Note 10 Plus. So if you have something quite similar to it, then you definitely do want to keep on watching. I've been seeing a lot of these videos floating through and going viral on the YouTube. Hence why we are trying to recreate our own but still add a little bit of spice, a little bit of touch, and a little bit of Kelechi to it. You guys know that I go extra, and yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize my home screen like this right here, and I am in love with how it's looking right now, how functional it is, but still very aesthetically pleasing. By the way, guys, I'm playing around with my setup and my background, so let me know how you guys feel about this. I might have a video on my setup. I'm playing around with my filming space up later on, just to show you guys how you can make things work with like little budget, or just make things work with what you already have. And yeah, also if you want to see my updated filming space, let me also know down in the comment section as well. So let's get started with this video. So to get started, I just wanted to show you guys my software information as well as give you guys details with regards to my phone. I'm currently using a Samsung Note 10 Plus, and I've updated my software to the latest right now. So this is what I have going on, so you guys can see what I'm working with. Okay, so my first step to customizing this is to have a visual representation or a visual idea of your theme. Now what I mean by that is have like a cohesive color, have a pattern, have a texture that you want to work with. Also have your key apps that you also want to include on your home screen. So again, you want to always keep it very functional to you, because again, it is your phone and it's your customization. So now that we have like a general theme, a general idea, I'm going to go ahead to take all of these off my home screen. I'm just going to hold and press each of them and then click on the remove from home. I'm going to do the same thing again. Now my app is pretty much empty and we can now start creating with this. Now something you can do is you can create your own templates, which is something that I did because I wanted something that would fit with my aesthetics but also be very functional for me. So to get started, just press and hold your home screen. You're going to have these pop up. You're going to have your wallpaper, themes, widgets, as well as home screen settings. You can go ahead to click on your home screen settings to kind of customize how you want your home screen to be. The grid, if you want it to be like a 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, 5x6, whichever one works for you, but I'm going to be picking the 5x6. Amazing. This is what I have right now, and this is currently how I have set my home screen. So something else that I did also change was to change my app icon, and I wanted something very simplistic, very minimalistic, very elegant, and very chic at the same time. So I went over to my app store and I downloaded this app icon. Again, it is free, so if you want it, you can get it. Download it and apply it on to your phone, and this is what it's going to look like. I love how chic but still very like simple and classy and minimal it kind of looks. I kind of like the borders around it. It looks amazing. So what I want to do now is to go ahead and customize my own wallpaper in a way that it looks aesthetically pleasing, but it's also going to enhance my functionality at the same time. So I'm going to go off camera and show you guys how I do that on Canva. Hey guys, so I'm going to be designing my home screen wallpaper using Canva. I'm just going to search for wallpaper. I'm going to click on the phone wallpaper, and you can use any of these presets, designs, or templates to kind of create your own. You just have to customize it. I'm going to be using this one, and I'm just going to clear it out and add a few shapes, elements, just to customize this to fit not only my aesthetics but also fit my phone. Make sure that you resize this template to suit your phone size, and this is what we have. I'm absolutely in love with it. I kind of changed the background just to have variety, and yeah, this is what we have. You can find the link in the description if you want to download this. And this is another sample of the wallpaper templates that we also created. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go to Canva, which is where I created these templates. So in case you want to customize your own, you can do that as well. So now all of my templates have successfully saved. I'm going to go over to my gallery and look at it. And what I want to do now is to just set it as my wallpaper. Home screen right there. And this is what it's going to look like. And it's just dreamy right now. It's giving me all sorts of vibe. I'm loving it. I'm going to set it as my home screen, and that should have set already. This is what we're working with. Okay, so this is a template that we just designed. Again, if you guys can see it, by the time we're done designing our homepage, you're going to see how everything comes together, and everything has been added on intentionally. Again, you can see this little bar right here. I kind of put it here to highlight my battery percent, my connection, my highlights, and also this camera nudge over here. Everything is just so to the T, and I'm so excited, and I'm proud of myself for doing this. So I'm going to go ahead to start designing this home page. What I'm going to do now is to just press and hold my home screen so that way the widget pops up. Now, remember when I said you need to have an idea of what your aesthetic wants to be, should be, and what your key major apps are, the ones you want to feature on here, because this is going to not only make sure that it is aesthetically pleasing, but also make sure that it is very functional, because your home screen is pretty much your go-to, right? You want it to be snappy, so you want your core apps, your most used apps, to be on here, so that way you don't have to start scrolling and looking for what you need. Everything should be on here. I'm going to show you guys mine as well. So I'm going to go back to widgets and start adding on my core apps on there. So I want to start off with this. Let's start off with, I hope you guys saw that, right? Press and hold until this pops up. Then click on widgets, right? This is going to create like a widget that you can kind of customize. But if you still want flexibility in terms of customization, if you want to add your picture to the app logo, like what you can do on ISO, you can go ahead to download this app right here and do that with that. But with this, we're trying to keep it very simple, but still very beginner friendly. So I'm going to go over to my apps that I frequently use, which is I like to use this one. This is my to-do list, basically. And usually I write the things that I need to do that I think I might forget. I'm just going to click on this because I want to use a transparent one. I want to still keep it very minimal. So you have to tap and hold, and then it's going to pop on the screen and then just drop, right? So when it drops, you can now resize it to fit wherever you want it to be. So I want it to be here, and this is what it looks like. Amazing, right? So with this, you can stretch it out even more. If you want this to take up the entire screen, this could be your entire homepage, right? But no, we're not done. We still want to customize this. I'm going to shrink this down, and yeah, I'm going to click on the task because this is where I usually have my task. Yeah, so my task for tomorrow, I need to clean my studio, film a hair tutorial, organize my background. I already did that. So next up, I'm going to do the same thing. Add another widget. I'm going to add my clock, right? And I'm going to click on this analog clock because I feel like it's a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Click on that. So you have to touch and hold for you to pick it and then move it around to wherever you want. So I'm going to keep this right here. Right. Now with this widget, with this clock widget, you can actually customize it to however you want. So you can click on this one. If you want it to be white, you can turn this off. It's white already. If you want it to be black, you can click on black. And if you want it to be a little bit darker, you can reduce the transparency as well. So again, it is fully customizable, whatever you want. So I think I'm going to use either this one or this one. Oh, I like this one, but I'm going to use the white one just so it's very airy right there. Right, cool. So I'm going to use this one and I like it. So I'm going to drop that right here. Can you guys see how very chic and very elegant that clock looks? So next up, I'm going to add, let me add something else. Go over to my widgets. Let me add my music. I'm going to add my music. I'm going to press and hold and then drop. Okay. So as you guys can see, it's kind of coming together. So I'm going to do the same thing again. Press and hold. Click on widgets. And then click on the app that I want to add to my home screen. Oh, Netflix is definitely on my must add. Press and hold and drop. With this, I want to reduce this a little bit. Amazing. Let's drag this down. So again, press and hold. Press and hold, click on my widget, and let's add something else. I want to add my weather because again, I want to know, what the weather is like wherever I am. Yes. This. So we're going to reduce it here and drop it here, right? So I'm going to move this back to where it was. Again, everything is totally movable and it's kind of fun moving things around, especially when you're editing. It's kind of fun. So I like how it's looking right now. Everything is coming together. So going to adjust all of these. No, I'm going to take it back to here. Okay, so this kind of feels like a puzzle and it's also very fun. So let me go over to, add another one. I think I want to add a picture widget, a photo widget. Press and hold down, right? So I'm going to click on this box. And next up, I think I want to add Google search because I'm always on Google. I'm always searching for things on Google. Go over to Google search. You can search for it manually here. Just type Google and that should come up. So Google search and drag and drop that right here. Beautiful. With this, if you want to customize your Google search, you can click on it. Right, let me open it up. Go click on the G sign, click on more, then see this custom widget over here. Click on that, and with this you can customize however you want it to be. You can customize the logo if you want it to be the full name or just the G sign. You can customize the shape of it if you want a square. Then you can also customize the color if you want the G sign to show, if you want it to be white, want it to be black. I think I'm going to use black, or you can even customize it to the color of your theme. So you can click on this picker button right here and kind of play around with the colors to get what exactly you want. But I'm not going to do that because I want to keep this very minimal. And this is what it looks like right now. Amazing. So I put all of my social apps in one folder and all of my business apps in one folder. Now I can still go ahead to customize this by color. I can click on this. Maybe I can even change the name, add some smiley or whatsoever. Or I can customize the color and let's use black for instance. So on the left side, I have apps that kind of tell me about the day. So I have the clock, the task for the day as well as the weather for the day. I can also add news, but we'll leave that to another like personalization and customization. While on the right side, I have the Google search tab. Again, this is probably the most functional amongst everything here, and I'll tell you why in a bit. And then I have this right here which says dream, plan and do, as well as this my vision board. So this is sort of like my motivation as well as my manifestation, again, because I do want to wake up in the morning. I do want to, every time I get my phone, I want to have to see something that motivates me and inspires me to do something and to do more. On the other side, I have my social apps as well as my business apps, and I have my music. In case you guys don't know, I listen to a lot of music. I could play something, but I don't want to get demonetized. And below we have my Netflix app right here, which is amazing. I can scroll through, change the movies to see what's on, and click on one of them, start watching. This is probably the best setup so far that I've seen, that I've customized anyways. And yeah, for this Google search tab right here, if you don't have this, this is so needed. I'll show you why. With this, you don't even need to open up your phone. You can literally open up apps with your voice. You can search for things with your voice. You can read and listen to music by asking Google. This is such a productive way of getting by the day and doing multitasking, to be more specific. I mean, with this, you can literally control your entire phone using this. All you need to do is just to ask for it. So you can just say, hey Google, then click on this, open YouTube and search for tomatoes.
Opening YouTube.
Yeah. Right there, okay? So we can even go through Instagram without really going through Instagram. So this is very functional for me. It's very, very functional for me. When I'm done with the entire day, I have my Netflix and my music at the same time to chill and relax. I always listen to music anytime I'm working or doing things that are tasking. That does not include editing anyways. And Netflix is just like whenever I'm in an Uber, I'm chilling, I just want to take out time off and just, you know, hold my phone and do something. Click on it, Netflix, click on it, music, and then I have literally everything I need in one page on my home screen. So I don't have to keep flipping and flipping and flipping. Everything I need is right here. Again, down below here are pretty much like my go-to apps, my phone, my calculator, my camera, my gallery, my video. Literally, this is the most optimized and personalized home screen you would find. So yeah, let me know. It's also aesthetically pleasing anyways. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. What are your thoughts down in the comment section? Did you enjoy this video? Did you learn something from it? Do you like it? Let me know. And I'd like to see your own, so definitely feel free to tag me in your own video, your own post, your own customization process. Tag me at Kelechi Boimena, and I'll be more than happy to see that on Instagram, on YouTube. Feel free, do your thing. And yeah, if you guys are new here, hi again. My name is Kelechi Boimena. So happy to have you here. So good for you to be here. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, feel free to stick around with me by subscribing to my channel right here. Don't be shy. Don't feel like a stranger. Subscribe to my channel. You're welcome. If you are new here and you haven't checked out any other of my videos, then I'm gonna set you up, because I have an amazing collection of videos, amazing playlist of videos. So definitely get started right here and right here as well. So happy to have you here again, and I'll see you guys in one of these videos. Don't feel like a stranger. Don't feel shy. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Watch this video if you're yet to watch this video. Stick around with me and let's just have fun. So yeah, let's go.